everyone, and welcome to the next day of this vlog. It is now Thursday. It's our second full day here. I'm not exactly sure what we're doing. I heard there's some cliff jumping in store and maybe going out to a local island restaurant for dinner, so that'll be cute. But we're gonna go eat some breakfast. So blue here, although it does look blue. Oh look, there is a Liza spotted in the wild. Okay, so I'm gonna do a voiceover because you can't hear us because of the wind. But basically, I'm explaining that us and the crew members decided to play like a murder mystery game. So we all pulled a name, an item, and a place out of a hat. And whatever we got, we have to try and get other people out. So I got Captain Tom with sunglasses on the main deck. So I have to try and get him to take sunglasses from me, so that he's out without him catching onto it. And Kate Marie has Glenn. So stay tuned for us explaining more about that. Dad, how do you feel about being killed off the game by your wife?
Can't feel a thing because I'm dead.
Mom?
Murdered.
Mom takes the W. Okay, now we're gonna eat our breakfast. Okay guys, it is now 8:56 in the morning. We had breakfast, it was great. We are supposed to get some rain from 10:30 to 12, I think. Obviously when you're in these tropical islands, it's just, there's so much water and humidity that you often get storms every day, so that's coming at some point. But this is the bikini I'm wearing today. It's my favorite one. It's brown with these blue flowers. Yes, I still have a burn line here, but overall I'm looking a lot less burnt. There goes Glenn. Okay, Marie. I like your hat. Elisa's shop. Going through our second storm. For how wavy it is, that is crazy. We think we're being tricked. I think we're about to get murdered. Yeah. No, we're not. We didn't get to finish telling you.
We actually just have chips.
Yeah, he actually was just being nice. But we've got to plan our murders. But we don't know. this way? Is this better? Guys, my mission was complete. I killed Tom with the sunglasses, so now he's out. Hilarious. It was really funny. I would have videoed it, but I had to do it quick, so we didn't catch on. But what can we say? And we just went ski bobbing, which not ski bobbing, which you just saw on the GoPro, which I'm sure looks really funny.
Ryan Little.
Okay guys, hello. It is currently 2:19. I haven't given you guys like an actual update in quite a while. I feel like I told you this morning we were going cliff jumping, and then that never happened because there's a big storm around these islands, obviously just the week we come for spring break around here. So we moved from the spot we were. We were going to go to a second spot, stop there, then come here. We skipped that, came straight here, anchored because of this rough weather. We didn't really see it because we went a different route, but now, hours later, the storm appears to be showing up here. So we won't be moving or sailing through it, but it will be hitting us. It's starting to get super wavy outside, but we took the dinghy to like inland to go to a store because we need to get some grocery stuff, I think, or the crew members did. And I got a hoodie, which I love. But let me just show you outside. You can definitely see how dark it is, and it's starting to get wavy considering where we're at. So we will watch as the storm hits us, and then tonight we are going to a restaurant for dinner. So stay tuned for that. Okay guys, we're heading to our destination in a second. So the first place we're going to is I look tan on here, but I'm actually just burnt. We're going to this like fish feeding thing where they feed these massive fish, so we're gonna go watch that, and then we're going to a dinner. Apparently it's like a really chill place, so I literally have a bikini on and a tank top and pants, and same thing with Cape Rain. But we brought a hoodie because it's a little cloudy out and it looks like it might rain, and also it's quite chilly with the wind, so let's go. Okay guys, it's like 9:30. I'm about to go to bed. I'm so tired, but thank you so much for watching today's video. Bye! I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.